The Lost Kitten in the Park. A0.0 100 words. Emma walks in the park. She brings her kitten Coco. Coco is white and soft. Coco runs and plays. She chases butterflies. She runs behind a bush. Emma looks away. Then Coco is gone. Coco. Emma calls. No answer. Emma looks under trees. She asks people. No one sees Coco. Emma feels very sad. Coco walks alone. She meows. A kind woman hears her. She picks Coco up. Emma runs over. Coco, she cries. She hugs her kitten. Thank you, she tells the woman. Emma gives Coco water. Coco sleeps. Emma smiles. Her kitten is safe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.